Hello everybody, today we're going to see the unboxing of ichroma hsCRP test kit. This comes in a 2-pack. One is with the which is to be maintained at cold temperature, which is the 25 reduction buffer tube, and then you get the pack here. Let me just go around this. You can see this here. It's ichroma hsCRP test kit. The intended use: ichroma hsCRP is a fluorescent immunoassay FIA for the quantitative determination of CRP, C-reactive protein in human whole blood serum plasma. It is useful as an aid in management and monitoring of risk of cardiovascular diseases. If you can see, the box contains 25 cartridges, 25 sample collector, 1 ID chip, 1 instruction for use, 25 reduction buffer packed in a separate box, and that is here. You can see this is a CE-IVD certified product. This box can be stored in a room temperature, and this to be stored in a cold temperature. You can see the lot number and manufacturing date and the expiry date. I'll just show you around that. It's manufactured in Boditech from Korea. Just open this for you. This is basically they take two boxes are together as a kit. Let me open this for you. You can see this here. Just keep the gel pack just to maintain the temperature here. Inside this pack you get an IFU brochure. Here you go. You can see it says ichroma hsCRP. So this brochure typically has the introduction, principal, components, and the warnings and precautions to be taken, and all the details available to conduct this test. Here you go, you can see this here. Here is the test setup, test procedure, and interpretation of the results. And sample collectors. 25 sample collectors pack is here. You can see this here. So we collect the samples. This is how the sample collector looks like. You can see this here. Keep it here, and then you get 25 cartridges. 2 cartridges here. You can see ichroma hsCRP lot number is given, and then there's a CD chip, ID hsCRP. And then you get this box is mandatory. So this is you can see ichroma hsCRP reduction buffer, 25 reduction buffer tubes. You can see this lot number. The lot number is maintained here. I'll just open this and show you. You can see there's a 25 reduction buffer, so I'll just pull one out for you. This is how it looks like. You can see. Here. Okay, just quickly to summarize here, today we are seeing the unboxing of ichroma hsCRP test kit box. This is a 25 test kit pack, and quickly to summarize here, in the 25 test kit pack you have one IFU brochure and 25 detector tubes. This is how they call this. Sample collectors. 25 sample collectors, and then you have 25 cartridges. You have the cartridges here. 25 cartridges and 25 reduction buffer. It's here, and then one ID chip. Just This is how the total test kits looks like. Thank you.